आपको महाशिवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। मैं चाहता हूं कि आपके जीवन में ये महाशिवरात्रि में बहुत सारी चीज़ें एज एन मोक्ष के तौर पे आ जाए, फाइनेंशियल मोक्ष भी आ जाए और फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम भी आ जाए। तो इसी मौके का फ़ायदा उठाते हुए मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, आपको हेल्प करे कि those are 8 secrets of Lord Shiva which can use to grow your wealth. And if you are ready and if you want this particular segment, just watch this video till the end and you will get to know about this 8 secret of Lord Shiva. If you are ready, just subscribe this channel and click on a bell button. Thank you. So this side Yogesh Lokande. I welcome you again this particular video. This video is about the 8 secret of Lord Shiva and which will help you, or it can help you to grow your wealth. If you are ready, then just type on a comment that I am ready. Thank you for your comments. Yes, I'm sharing my mind map which will help you to grab a more detailed view of this 8 secrets. And if you are ready and if you are grab your notepads and paper, just grab it and just sit to take lots of notes from this particular video. Thank you. So I'm sharing my screen, my mind map. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you. These are the 9 things, but 8 are a secret out of this particular segment. So first we talk about the Shiva. What is the Shiva means to us? तो शिवा जब हम स्पिरिचुअल या रिचुअल वे से देखते हैं तो शिवा की कुछ चीजें हैं दैट वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट. वन इज लाइक अ लिंगा, और वी नो शिवा एज अ लिंगा और शंकर एज अ नेम. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें जो है ये डिपेंड अपॉन जो मान्यता है या फिर जो चीजें हैं हम शिवा के बारे में जानते हैं उसके बेसिस पे हम डिसाइड करते हैं. बट वी नो दैट लिंगा एंड शंकर इज द सेम, राइट? And these like whenever we are seeing that particular linga or a statue of a Shankar, अंदर से बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हो जाती है कि शिथिल है, स्तब्ध है और एनर्जेटिक है. तो इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे what are the major things are there which we have to focus more and we have to implement as a part of this wealth program. So third eye, whenever we see the third eye is like a half closed and half open, जो डिनोटेट करता है विच इज लाइक अ मोर फोकस एंड मोर क्लाम. जो भी कंडीशन आए, जो भी हो, जो भी चीजें हो, मगर पूरा फोकस जो चाहिए, जिस चीज पे होना चाहिए उसके ऊपर है और हमेशा उसी पेशेंस के साथ, उसी कामनेस के साथ हम उस चीजों को देख पाए. तो उसी के लिए ये थर्ड आया है, द डमरू एंड अ तांडवा. सो इट्स डिनोटेड एज अ एक्शन. So action and energy. So whenever we see that the Tandava and a Damru, whenever it just roll that Damru and Shankara just doing a Tandava, it gives you a more energy in a form of action. तो ये हमें इस एक्चुअली फॉर्म जो है इससे जाननी है और हमारी एक्शंस उसी बेसिस पे होनी चाहिए. जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी हम हमारी लाइफ में जो भी चीजें करना चाहते हैं तो उसी एनर्जी के साथ, उसी एक्शन के साथ और रिदम के साथ होनी चाहिए. एंड दैट्स दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स डिनोट्स द मेडिटेटिव पोस्चर. सो व्हेनेवर यू सी द शंकरा इज ऑलवेज क्लोज हिज आईज एंड सिट एज एन मेडिटेटिव पोस्चर. सो इफ यू सी दैट, it denotes that the patience, perseverance and trust. Okay, so whenever you are doing any work, you are doing anything, you have to follow these 3 things. हमेशा पेशेंस रखो, आपका परसिवेशन प्रॉपर रखो एंड ऑलवेज ट्रस्ट ऑन यूर सेल्फ. कि जो भी चीजें मैं कर रहा हूं दैट इज लाइक टोटली ट्रस्ट प्रूफ. देन आसना मीन्स शिवा सिटिंग ऑन दैट आसना actually created by the skin of tiger. That is a power, or you can say it's like a wild animal, but we are controlling that. So why it's denoted that we have to figure out what are the biases are there. जो भी मन में या फिर माइंड में जो भी confusion create होता है due to volatility of finance, volatility of market, volatility of anything. So we need to clarify about that. And stable, because our asana where we are sitting right now, as our mind is sitting on what the basis, is like a more powerful. You think about that and stay. So जैसे हमें पता है कि शंकर भगवान हिमालय में रहते हैं, so वहाँ का क्लाइमेट अगर देखेंगे तो इट्स क्लाइमेट्स लाइक ऑलवेज चेंजिंग. So what it denotes is like there is a peace, there is no distance because there is nothing not happen in that particular location, right? The climate is always changing, up and down is already there. जैसे मार्केट में होता है up and down, so due to volatility, so we have always in that particular climate or volatility, we always calm, stay focused, and always more focus on to achieve the highest goal, that is a moksha, and in the financial term is a financial freedom, or you can say a financial stability. If you are really excited to know about the rest 8 secrets of this particular video, I request you to type below I want it. Thank you. The first point of this is like a L. The Lord in action, it starts with L, and L is noted as a lower. So what we have to lower our case in our life. हमारे लाइफ में क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसको लोअर करना है? तो एक चीज है लायबिलिटी, दूसरी चीज है डेब्ट. तो हमारे लाइफ में जो भी लायबिलिटीज हमने बना के रखी है, आइदर इट्स अ क्रेडिट कार्ड और एनीथिंग, वी हैव टू जस्ट रिमूव दैट. Then the debt is also part of this particular segment. So once you do that, the third is O. Organize yourself on a spending. जो भी आपकी स्पेंडिंग हो रही है उसके ऊपर ऑर्गेनाइज रखो कि ज्यादा स्पेंड ना हो. अर्निंग के ऊपर ऑर्गेनाइज रखो और सेविंग के ऊपर भी ऑर्गेनाइज रखो. Then R stands for reserve and restrict. So whenever we talk about the reserve and restrict, it's about the reserve for your emergencies or anything losses like a job losses or business losses. In this situation, you have to reserve some fund for that particular emergencies and losses. And restrict overspending and even over budgeting. So these are the things are come under the R. You always focus on this. And the D stands for divide. So as a part of Lord, D is most important because you are dividing your risk, your necessity, wants and repayment. So whatever inflows is coming inside your life, जो भी अर्निंग आपके साइड से हो रहा है, जो भी इनकम आपको आ रहा है, you have to divide that money into the risk, necessity and wants and repayment. उसके अंदर जानी चाहिए. रिस्क, जो भी रिस्क है उसके लिए लाइक इमरजेंसीज, वहां पे पैसा आपका सेव होना चाहिए. नेसेसिटीज के लिए मेजर स्टेक जाना चाहिए. वॉन्ट्स के ऊपर depend upon wants, we have to spend that, and most important, we have to repayment of all the debts. So these stands for the Lord. Now we are jumping to the Shiva. So Shiva, S is like the action. It's like start today and take an action. So instead of action, I just typing taking action. So these are the things that you have to keep in your mind, that H stand for the start today. Now it's an action you have to more focus on. Then I stand for invest. Invest your time, invest your money, invest your mind, invest yourself. तो आपको जब भी लगे कि मेरी लाइफ में कहाँ पे कम है, तो you have to invest that. अगर टाइम कम है, invest your time. If you think that money कम है, तो invest your money in that manner. So that's I stands for invest. Then V is most important, and you can say this is create a sustainable baseline for your finance, that is a value. And whenever we think about the value, it's a true, clear, future oriented and in the right manner. So what it means, आप जहां पे आपका पैसा, टाइम, मनी और माइंड या फिर आप खुद को इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, is it really valuable for a future? Is it a true asset for you? Is it that whatever the minds are there, it's clear about that valuable things, then only invest in that valuable item, okay, in the right way. Then the A stands for asset, and asset gives you more power, because investing money is a simple and spending money is more simple than investing money. So एसेट गिव्स यू अ मोर पावर टू रिड्यूस ऑल द रिस्क। जो भी आपके मनी रिलेटेड रिस्क होगी, टाइम रिलेटेड रिस्क होगी, ये सारी कट डाउन करेगा और आपको पावर देगा टू अचीव अ सस्टेनेबल growth in your life. Okay, so these are the segments you have to learn from Lord Shiva. And this is like today is a Mahashivratri, and that's why I've just come with this particular segment as a form of Lord Shiva. And this is what I want to tell you as a part of this particular video. I hope you like this video and you get a lots many information from this video. अगर आपको ये सारी चीजें आपके लाइफ में इम्प्लांट करनी है, इनकॉर्पोरेट करने हैं, it needs some effort as well. And if you are ready to take an effort, just start today. Just start today. Okay. And if you like this video, just click on like button and share with your friends so they can also get more information from this video. Thank you. Stay blessed, and once again, happy Mahashivratri.